Namaste. This is Ramachandra Prasad from Chennai. Information Security Analysis Center (ISAC) is offering a course called Cybercrime Intervention Officer. It is suitable for parents, teachers, counselors, and lawyers. I'm a parent. I have done this course. Main purpose is to safeguard my son. And in this cyber world, we cannot stop our children using mobiles, laptops, and internet because they need to learn. But we need to monitor what they are using, how they are using. Is it good for them or is it spoiling them? We have, as a parent, we have a responsibility of monitoring and nurturing them. So, but further, what is the knowledge as a parent we need to have? This CCIO course is providing enough information in terms of gaming addiction related. What are the games kids should not be playing? As a parent, we should stop them using in the beginning. And if a child is using playing a game more than certain period of time, like 1 hour or 2 hours, what are the implications? And there are many case studies of the children, very sad stories, frightening stories due to excessive gaming, and what a parent should take care of it. These things and all I got it from this course. Plus, there is a number one crime, cybercrime in India. It's not online banking fraud, it's a sextortion. Every girl, at least below 15 years of age, and even male boys also are facing this extortion rate, and it is not easy to arrest this crime. So we need to be aware of this various modus operandi of this sextortion crime, and if we know only, we can protect our kids. So you will come to know many things which we cannot digest. The sextortion modus operandi is happening around us, so we should know, and only to safeguard our kid. And also there are online banking fraud related things have been taught in this course. Apart from that, what are the sections available in our Indian law to protect from all these crimes? So this course will be helpful for every parent, every counselor, teacher, and lawyers. So I suggest this course, CCIO course, to do this. Please be aware of all these problems so that we will create a better society around us. Thank you so much.